Environmental and social impacts of GERD. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is a marvel of engineering, but like any megaproject, it brings both benefits and challenges. In this video, we explore the environmental and social impacts of GERD, understanding how it affects ecosystems, communities, and the surrounding region. Environmental impacts. GERD's construction and operation have significant environmental implications. By creating a massive reservoir, the dam alters the natural flow of the Blue Nile, affecting ecosystems downstream. Wetlands and fish habitats have been modified, which impacts aquatic life and biodiversity. However, the dam also brings positive environmental effects. By generating clean hydroelectric energy, GERD reduces reliance on fossil fuels, lowering greenhouse gas emissions and contributing to climate change mitigation. The reservoir helps regulate water flow, reducing the risk of seasonal floods that previously damaged farmland and communities downstream. Ethiopian engineers and environmental experts have implemented measures to minimize negative effects. These include monitoring water quality, preserving nearby wildlife habitats, and planning controlled water releases to maintain ecological balance. The dam represents a balance between harnessing energy for human needs and protecting the environment. Social impacts on communities. The construction of GERD has had profound social impacts. Thousands of workers were employed during construction, providing livelihoods and technical training. The dam also stimulated infrastructure development, including roads, bridges, and communications networks, benefiting local communities. At the same time, some communities were affected by the reservoir's creation. Residents in certain areas were relocated to make way for the dam, requiring careful planning and support. Governments and organizations work to provide housing, schools, and healthcare services for those relocated. But the transition remains a challenge for some families. Overall, GERD has improved access to electricity, water management, and economic opportunities for millions of Ethiopians. The dam's social impacts highlight the importance of combining development with human-centered planning, ensuring that communities benefit alongside technological progress. Regional implications. GERD's environmental and social effects extend beyond Ethiopia. Downstream countries such as Sudan and Egypt rely on the Blue Nile for agriculture, water supply, and electricity. The dam alters the timing and flow of water, which has raised concerns about water availability and ecosystem health downstream. To address these issues, Ethiopia has engaged in diplomatic discussions, sharing information about water management, reservoir filling, and seasonal releases. These measures aim to minimize negative impacts while allowing GERD to operate efficiently. By balancing the needs of the environment, local communities, and neighboring nations, GERD demonstrates the complexities of megaprojects. It is a reminder that engineering achievements must go hand in hand with careful planning, cooperation, and sustainable practices to ensure benefits are maximized and risks minimized. Finally, the environmental and social impacts of the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam reflect the complexity of large-scale projects. While GERD provides electricity, jobs, and economic growth, it also requires careful management of ecosystems and communities. Understanding these impacts helps us appreciate the balance between development and responsibility. In our next video, we will explore the political challenges and international negotiations surrounding GERD, shaping the future of water and energy in the region.